Life can be stressful with so many little tasks piling up every day. But what if I told you a few simple hacks and tools can save you time, reduce stress, and make your life way easier? Stick around till the end, because hack number 5 is something you'll wish you knew earlier. Tired of your charging cables slipping off the table? Just attach a binder clip to the edge of your desk and run your cables through the metal handle. No more messy wires, everything stays in place. Want a cold drink without watering it down? Freeze some grapes and use them instead of ice cubes. They keep your drink chilled and delicious without changing the flavor. Need to take notes on the go? Use Google Keep's voice note feature. Just press the mic, speak your thoughts, and it automatically saves and even transcribes your words into text. Perfect for quick ideas and reminders. Ever overpour liquid into a glass or bottle? Wrap a rubber band around the bottle at the exact level where you want to stop pouring. It acts as a quick visual guide, and so you don't spill or waste. Struggling to remember dozens of passwords? Use a free password manager like Bitwarden. It stores all your logins securely in one place and autofills them for you. Simple, safe, and stress-free. And there you go. 5 simple hacks and tools you can start using today. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments, and share your favorite hack too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy life hacks every week.